Okay, this is on rotations of 180 degrees. 180 is like turning it halfway around. Rotation of all the way around would be bring it all the way 360, would bring it all the way around back to its original position. That's a complete 360 rotation. So basically what we're doing is half. Okay, now what I want to do is try to do this with the paper. When you're doing a paper, moving it this far, that's 90 degrees. Moving it all the way upside down, that would be 180. Now, what I want you to do is look at this. We'll watch. This point is 4 over up 1. 4 to the right, up 1. 4 to the right, up 1. Now, if I do a 180 switch, that means turn it all the way around like this. I do the same thing. It's over 4 to the right, 4, up 1. That will be a rotation of 180 degrees. Again, you turn your paper, you go 4, 1, over, and you go 4, 1. That would be a 90 degree turn. If I do it all the way around, upside down, halfway around the whole thing, I do the same thing, up and over 4. So, I know that's a visual, and sometimes we don't get the visual, that's okay. That's why we have formulas. But first, from the graph, my A prime, or my reflection point, is -4, -1. -4, -1. We see by this example that the x is 4, it becomes -4. See how my formula shows that? And then my y is 1, the y becomes -1. See how that happens with my formula? So I can apply this formula. It's sometimes quicker and easier if I have it. And again, you have your cheat sheet. So let's do this. I've picked some random 3 points, created a triangle, ABC, and I'm going to reflect it to the triangle A prime, B prime, C prime by rotating it 180 degrees. Now I'm simply going to use the formula here. The formula says that I take the x and change its sign, take the y and change its sign. So what I'm going to do is change that x was -1, becomes +1. Y is 3, now it's -3. Do we have to remember it? No, we have a formula sheet. And just to kind of confirm how that looks on the graph, I'm going to take -1, 3, which is located here. -1, 3, left 1 over 3, turn it all the way upside down. Left 1 up 3 is located there. Now if you look at your point, that's in fact the point 1, -3, where it should be. I don't want to keep turning paper on you because it gets confusing. Stay with me on the formula sheet here now. Basically, for rotation 180, the x changes and the y changes sign. So 2 becomes -2, 5 becomes -5. The last one is C. That has no sign, so it doesn't have to change, it's 0. And then 2 becomes -2. All those points you can see graphically will work for a rotation of 180. Hopefully that helps for that.